Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evey, and on this video I'll be crocheting a puff stitch skirt. This is what I'll be using: a pink yarn, my favorite crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and my tape measure. So yeah, so to start I'll double up my yarn and chain a length of 28 inches. I've chained 28 inches. Now the next step I'll place single crochets in every stitch. So place single crochets in every stitch all through. Now after placing single crochets all through, I'll take my two ends, this end and this end, and join them together with the slip stitch like so. Then chain one, make it a bit loose. Then on the next stitch here I'll place 3 half double crochets. So the first one, second, third, then pull the 3 2, then pull the other 2 the remaining, then chain 1, yarn over, skip 1 stitch. On the next stitch here place 3 half double crochets, make it a bit loose. The first one, second, third, then yarn over, pull all 3, then pull through the 2, then chain 1. So this will be the pattern for the puff stitch. So the first half double crochet, the second, the third, then pull through, then pull through the remaining 2. Now for my second row I'll be placing a puff stitch on this space here. So I'll place my 3 half double crochet, the first one, second, third, pull through the 3, then pull through the remaining 2, then chain 1. Go ahead on the space here, the first one, second, third, pull through the 3, then pull through 2. Now back to where it all started, and I'll place an increase. For an increase I'll place 2 puff stitch on the same space. So go ahead and the first half double crochet, second half double crochet, third, pull through 2, then chain 1 on the same space, first half double crochet, second half double crochet, third half double crochet, pull through the 3, and pull through the remaining 2. So that marks as our increase. So I'll do the same thing on this other end. I've marked, please don't mind my markers, I had to improvise. So I've marked my end here. So once you're here, place 2 puff stitch on this space here. And yeah, so for the hips measurement for this part will be 38 and the waist 28. Now at my marker, I'll place 2 puff stitch on the same space. So the first, second, third half double crochet, pull through and pull the remaining 2, then the first, second, third half double crochet, pull through and pull the remaining 2. So repeat the process until you get your hips measurement. I have my hip measurement, which is 19 inches. So from here I won't be increasing, I'll just go with the puff stitch till the end. So I did a length of 13 inches. So for the next step is I will be crocheting single crochets all through. I did the single crochets and I also did the strings, 2, 3. I did 3 strings, so I'll show you how to do the strings, the remaining string on the other side. So what I'll do, I will insert my hook and my yarn. I'll insert my hook and my yarn and chain a length of 45 inches. So on this side here, I'll insert my hook and chain a length of 45. I've chained already. So the next thing I'll do, I will place single crochets all through to the end of the chain, then make another row of single crochet, and yeah, that will be it for our strings. Now here at the end of the row, I will just place a single crochet on the next stitch, then turn my work turn my work, and then turn my work and then place a single and continue with a single chain 1, then continue with single crochets again all through till the end of the string. I'm done with the rows, so I will chain a single crochet. I will make a single crochet on the last chain, and that will be it for the strings. Then go ahead and weave in the ends. Yeah, and thanks for watching. So please remember to subscribe if you haven't, like the video, comment, share. Yeah, thank you. See you on the next video.